If you're a nonprofit looking to streamline fundraising and donor management, the Neon CRM is your all-in-one solution. And here's how to use it. First is you need to log in to your Neon account or the Neon CRM dashboard, which requires you to have your email address and everything. From the menu, go to the constituents to manage donors, volunteers, and members, add new records, or update info easily. Head to the fundraising section. There, you can create your donation forms and recurring giving and track campaigns. You can use your email campaigns to build targeted emails and automate donor follow ups. In events, you can schedule right here. You can see right here, you can schedule a day or yes, time which you want to generate your donations, retentions, and management. Finally, integrate with tools like QuickBooks, MailChimp, or Zapier to level up your workflow. Neon CRM is built for nonprofits, making donor relationship easier to manage and mission easier to grow in 2025.